chapter 9, your some application of trigonometry. We are here to discuss question number 6 of exercise 9.1. Your question number 6 says a 1.5 meter tall boy. You can see here, this is 1.5, suppose ये आपका 1.5 meter tall boy है, is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So यहां से आप ले लीजिए, ये आपकी 30 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग हो जाएगी, राइट. दिस इज बॉय एंड दिस इज योर बिल्डिंग. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन फ्रॉम हिज आईज टू द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. देखिए, फ्रॉम हिज आईज टू द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. सो दिस इज द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, राइट, एंड दिस इज अ बॉय, सो हिज आईज विल बी हियर. तो यहां से आपको बनाना है, दिस इज योर, यहां से आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल बेस हो जाएगा. So this is the angle of elevation. How much it is given? From his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. That means पहले ये आपका 30 डिग्री है, जैसे ये बॉय कुछ दूर आगे आएगा, यही एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन आपका 30 डिग्री से कितना आ जाता है, 60 डिग्री, राइट. So this is your 60 degree. Now as he walks towards the building, find the distance he walked towards the building. आपको ये distance निकालना है. This is the distance which he has walked towards the building. Now let us label these things. You can see here, this total height is your 30 meter, right? This is the total height. We can label them A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So once again, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So this distance is the some distance given. Now let us see, we are having here triangle in which there is a two triangle. हम लोग ये triangle consider करेंगे, ABF and ABE, okay? ABF से आप FB निकाल लेंगे, ABE से आप EB निकाल लेंगे, and BE minus FB will give you EF, and that is the total distance which the boy walked towards the building. Okay, now let us start working your solution. In triangle ABF, your tan 60 degree is equal to AB upon FB. Right? One more thing we should remember here. See, this is 1.5. ये आपका BC कितना हो जाएगा, 1.5. And what about AB? AB will be 28.5. So you can also write here, your AB is equal to 30 minus 1.5, and that is 28.5 meter. So tan 60, it is √3 is equal to 28.5 अपॉन FB, राइट. और यहां से देखिए आपका FB आ जाएगा 28.5 अपॉन √3. ओके, सो वी गॉट हियर FB. यू कैन राइट हियर FB is equal to 28.5 upon √3, right? Now I'm going to rub this one. Again, in triangle ABE, tan 30 degree, your tan 30 is equal to AB upon EB, or you can write BE. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by √3 is equal to 28.5 upon BE, right? And from here we get BE is equal to 28.5 under √3. So we got the value of B, we got the value of FB. What is required? Distance. EF is equal to BE minus BF. What is your BE? 28 28.5 under root 3 minus 28.5 under root 3. Now you can see here, this is equal to, we can take the LCM, 28.5 आप कॉमन ले लीजिए. देखिए रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 आपका 3 minus 1 upon under root 3. Now this takes the form 28.5 into 2 into root 3 upon 3. Okay, इसको हमने rationalize किया. Now you can get cancelled here. So what will be the value here? 3 9s are 27.5, right, into 2 into root 3, and this is equal to 19 under root 3 meter. So the distance we got is 19. Can see here the distance we got 19 root 3 meter. So this is how we have work out. Always remember, जैसे भी आप towards the building walk करेंगे, आपका angle जो है वो आपका increase होगा, and that is why here it becomes 90 degree. So always increasing angle goes towards the building here in this case, right? So this is how we have worked out, and we have worked out for the distance he walked towards the building. So the distance he walked towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. Thank you.